Hello everyone, this is Sovik once again and welcome back to our channel English Tutorial by SB. Today's topic is, what is your expected salary? Now this question is really important because there are many candidates who think that when they are asked to answer this question, they consider that they have already got the job, and that's why they give wrong answer in reply to this question. Don't ever give any hypothetical answer. There are many candidates I have seen that they start saying by I want 1 lakh per month or 10 lakhs per annum. Don't make this type of silly mistake. So as a candidate, as a fresher candidate, this is your responsibility to make them believe in you. Before I go into the details of this question, let me just tell you a few important points. The interviewer wants to know through this question what kind of attitude you have, whether you keep your work first or your money first. There are also other parameters the interviewer wants to know through this question, like your body language, whether you are confident about your own credentialities, whether you are confident about your own candidature. They get a clear view from the answer which you will give in reply to this question, what is your expected salary? The next part which I want to focus here is what will be the answer of a fresher candidate and what will be the answer of an experienced candidate. Now for fresher, I must tell you that you have to research the company before you go for the interview. Before you attempt to give the answer, you must have a clear idea of the salary structure or pay scale which the organization offers to the candidates. And when you will be asked, you have to find out that you are a fresher candidate. So if they let you know what the salary structure they are providing to the fresher candidate, you will be grateful to them. Now you can tell them that after considering my candidature, if you please let me know about the salary structure you are going to provide to a fresher candidate like me, I will be highly grateful to you. For experienced candidate, they have the chance to negotiate. Still, the negotiation does not indicate to the fixed amount of salary. It can be suppose 40 to 50,000 rupees per month or 50 to 60,000 rupees per month. There should be a range of salary, not a specific amount. If they keep on asking you to point out the salary which you want to expect, please answer them by giving the range you will be comfortable to work with. Overall, you have to understand a very simple thing, that interviewers want candidates to rely on, to believe in. Now, as a candidate, it is your responsibility to make them confident about your candidature. So your attitude towards work will be, you are highly interested to work, to start your professional career because you have some family responsibility, you are waiting for the golden opportunity that has come to you and you are really interested to start your professional career. At the same time, your candidature, that you want to face the professional challenges and rewards, that attitude should also be expressed through your answers to the interviewers. So that's it. Let me just summarize once again. Your work will come first. Now, as a candidate, this is your responsibility that you are going to convince the interviewer by pointing that you are waiting for a golden opportunity and that has come to you and you are really interested to work. So if they consider your candidature by letting you know the salary structure they are going to provide to the fresher candidate, you will be highly interested in that. So that's it. I hope you have got it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question related to this topic, please write in the comment box and please subscribe and share. Thank you very much for watching.